Now this is a great looking bed you've established here, and I know the water is very important to make it grow.
Oh, water's important to every plant. Isn't this dianthus looking nice?
Yeah, it is, really
All the
nice.
pretty pink flowers, and then also this sago palm. Well, you know, one of the hardest things is how much water is enough water. There never seems to be enough.
Right.
So I have a way to continue to deliver that water through a system.
Okay, all right, share it with us.
Well, I took a 2-liter bottle and cut the top off of it, and then I poked holes in the bottom, which is pretty easy to do.
Right.
And then after that, I filled about 3/4 high with composted matter.
I see.
And then I submerged it. Let me show you where. See, I put it right behind this palm here.
Oh, okay.
And you
hardly
can
see that.
yeah, you can hardly see it. And of course, that's part of the beauty of
Right.
it, is that it's submerged. And every time I water, or it rains, hopefully,
Right.
then the water will also go in that little cistern.
Now what if some of the mulch, though, kind of fills it up? Is that a problem?
Oh gosh, no, because it's composted matter, so it's natural, it's going to break down. So if some things fall in, that's fine. But you might want to check it every so often. If it gets a little low, put it back in. And it's amazing how well it percolates right through, and it continues to deliver the nutrients.